Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be checking out the SLS maintenance yard in Dovedale Railway. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. So, if you spawn at Dovedale East and walk to the tracks that you find after this Dovedale East, Dovedale Railway Society thingy, you walk here and you see these tracks. So if you follow the tracks, after a really long time, you will find the signal box, and apparently you can signal in it. Okay, so while we walk, I just saw a shunt signal. Really cool. It's not the old style one, it's the new one. Like, it's not semaphore, it's shunt signal. Oh, there is another one. That's really cool, but no, it's on the right side. Anyways, so we're actually here at the signal box with a lot of shunt signals with, I guess, this platform thing, but there is no platform. Whatever. And I think it's actually a coach. Yeah, this is like freight coach. Whatever, let's just get into the signal box. You need 10,000 XP to enter it. I don't think it actually works. No, it doesn't. I think it's rank locked. It means that only moderators or like developers can access this. But here is even, what is this? What the heck even is this? There's like nothing. And I don't know why Dovedale doesn't put normal lights so you can see. But here is something probably inside. Maybe something we shouldn't see. Maybe Dovedale Railway version 2.0. Nah, I was just kidding. Okay, so I guess this is actually some harbor. Oh wait, there is a train. Wait, we can enter here. I guess not. But here is a train. Let's jump on it. Maybe this will actually be added in version 2.0. We don't know. Also, when you go here and see this new signal that by the teasers will be added in version 2.0, but who knows, maybe it isn't. And if you go there, there will be buffers and you can get through. I also wanted to show you to those who weren't playing yesterday and didn't saw the trailer. There's a new timer until 2.0 at Dovedale Central. Oh, should I have spawned the box? Anyways, so now since we spawned at the wrong spot, the only thing you have to do is just run down the tracks here. And they get to the back of the station. And then you will have to look up. And here is the timer. As of me recording this video, it will come out in 10 days, 10 hours, and 29 minutes. Also, if we could spawn at per time, then actually on the map you can see that after per time there is a station called Mazebrook, and if you go into the dovedale central box, then there will be bells to Mazebrook. Okay, so here I am in the box. Well, I'm not actually gonna signal there, but I don't know if you can see it, but at this engineering perk bell, it actually says Millbrook somewhere. Well, it probably says somewhere. You can check it out. Can't really see it right now. But spawn at Glitch Hoop End. Oh, where is it? Here. And then walk to per time. Which will be not really long walk, even just until here. Then you will see that electric trains cannot access this branch. Well, this actually capped because I could, but yeah, just a cool sign. Anyways, let's go. So if you walk to per time, you will find that the buffer was put too close, which is really bad because if you would drive a 377 here, then you wouldn't fit. Like, actually. So if you even wanted to, you couldn't. Also, if DC kinda didn't set the signal here after bleed hoop end, and this barrier shows red, that means you have to stop here, get out of the train, and press this plunger. Well, I'm not gonna actually press it right now because, well, it will turn white and the barriers won't go up. Unless I have a train. So I'm not gonna actually press this, but you can see that I can. So let's continue our walk to per time. And when you are at per time, I actually only once requested an exit because Dovedale Central cannot actually send anything, any trains here, because you're standing here and they see you on the map, probably. But here we go, and if we even wanted to, we can't, but if we could walk to Mazebrook from here. Also, now there are only announcements left, like I'm gonna actually do a live stream when this update comes out, so come and play, we'll be playing together, and even hope for a signal box. And this is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.